Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by checking Chrome OS version and enabling the feature set you need. If you pick Android apps, make sure Play Store is active. If using Linux tools, enable Christini now. Once done, free 1 to 2 gigabytes for downloads and temp files so installations don't fail. You're doing this to get smoother animations and proper permissions. Enabling the right subsystem first prevents needless rework. Now open Settings and prepare either Play Store or Linux to install the Wallpaper app. Next, install your live Wallpaper app via Play Store or use a Linux package like Hydrogen Desktop if you prefer sideloading. When prompted, grant overlay and display permissions so animations can run on the desktop. Deny battery kills for continuous motion. Once installed, open the app and pick a wallpaper, then tweak quality and animation speed to balance visuals with battery life. Make sure to set sleep behavior so the wallpaper pauses on lid close. This protects battery while keeping motion when you want it. Finally, apply the live wallpaper and test it across different modes, tablet, laptop, and multi-display setups to ensure consistent behavior. If performance lags, reduce resolution or turn off particle effects to improve responsiveness. These settings directly affect CPU and battery. If the wallpaper won't apply, restart Chrome OS, toggle Play Store or Christini off and on, and re-grant permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: check battery optimization rules. If the app is being background limited.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.